Good afternoon and good morning. We're going to do a simple recipe, a three chocolate recipe. First recipe I'm going to introduce to you is the fudge with walnut. Our ingredients we need, we need to prepare is 24 ounces of semi-sweet or dark chocolate, either in chips or finely chopped, 1 can of 40 ounces of sweetening condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup chopped walnut option. If optional, now we're going to the procedure for making the chocolate. Line an 8 to or 9 inches square pan with foil. Make sure at least 2 inches of foil extend over two sides of the pan. Next, confine the chocolate and condensed milk in saucepan over low heat. Stir frequently until the mixture is smooth. Remove from heat and stir in vanilla, salt, and walnut using. Evenly spread the mixture into the prepared pan. Refrigerate for 2 hours until firm. Lift the fudge from the pan and remove the foil. On a cutting board, cut the fudge into 1 or 1/2 inch square. Classic fudge, classic walnut fudge. Our next recipe is the butterscotch and sea salt. Our ingredients is 1 cup of butterscotch chips, 1 can of 14 ounces of sweetening condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 8 teaspoon of salt, 2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3/4 teaspoon sea salt. Procedure: same in the first recipe. Line an 8 or 9 inches square pan with foil. Make sure at least 2 inches of foil extend over two sides of the pan. Combine the butterscotch chips to 1/3 cups of condensed milk, butter, salt, and small saucepan over low heat. Stir until melted and smooth. Next is combine the chocolate chips and the remaining condensed milk in separate saucepan over low heat. Once the chocolate has melted, add the vanilla extract and stir until smooth. Next is spread the chocolate mixture evenly in the prepared pan, and then spread the butterscotch mixture over it. Next is sprinkle the sea salt evenly on the top of the fudge and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until firm. Lift the fudge from the pan and remove the foil. On the cutting board, cut the fudge into 1 or 1/2 inch square. This is the butterscotch and sea salt fudge. Marshmallow fluff fudge. Now we're going to see the recipe. Ingredients is 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 stick of butter or margarine, 1 can or 5 ounces of evaporated milk, 1 jar or 7/2 ounces of marshmallow fluff, 3/4 of teaspoon vanilla, 1 package or 2 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate pieces, 1/2 cup chopped walnut if optional. Procedure: line an 8 or 9 inches of square pan with foil. Make sure at least 2 inches foil extend over two sides of the pan. Combine the sugar, salt, buttermilk, and marshmallow in a large saucepan over low heat. Stir until blended. Increase heat to the medium and bring to a full rolling boil. Being careful not to make mistake escaping the air bubble for boiling. Reduce the heat and cook at low boil. Stirring constantly. The mixture has cooked enough when the temperature reaches 230 Fahrenheit or when the mixture passes the soft ball test. Cooking does not usually take more than 5 minutes. Next is remove from the heat and add vanilla and chocolate. Stir until the chocolate has melted and add nuts by using a fork to prepare pan. Next is refrigerate at least 2 hours or until firm. Flip the fudge from the pan and remove the foil on the cutting board and cut the fudge into 1 or 1/2 inch. The classic marshmallow fudge. I hope you delighted our recipe. If you have more, please subscribe to my channel.